24/7 automated production with zero downtime with enhanced productivity and maximum business profits, an ideal vision for most of the industries. To help achieve this goal, Buffalo Machinery developed ART, the Axile Reliability Technology System. ART is developed with 3 core functions and 6 sub-applications to optimize the production with high reliability, energy efficiency, and production control. ART provides high-tech interfaces for the manager, operator, and service for easy access of machine data, enabling predictive maintenance, facilitating decision-making, and automatic order placement. Predictive maintenance with machine lifetime monitoring enables ART to convey signal notice prior to machine damage and provides connection to organization's intelligent ERP system for necessary orders for restocking or maintenance service. This allows the machine to be always ready for work under good working conditions without unexpected downtime. For the manufacturing process, ART formulates the application's real-time monitoring of the machine's status with data collection and analysis to organize proficiency of the production schedule. This allows sales personnel to check with mobile devices for real-time production information while outside of the company and provide the customer with immediate feedback to confirm the order without delay. With this capability, they can always create better business profits for the organization. Based on the ISO 149555 standard, ART provides energy management and observes machine energy consumption and usage condition to optimize the energy efficiency. Furthermore, the organization can be in a contract with the Energy Authority to moderate the electricity cost. ART is available for all Axile machines. Now with the ART apps, you can directly access the machine data and production process with your PC, notebook, or any handheld device, such as a smartphone or a pad, which gives you easy access to synchronized machine information worldwide. It would be beneficial to keep abreast of development in Industry 4.0, and ART is developed to adapt to it. ART by Buffalo Machinery is the solution for intelligent machines and reliable automation.